here we are at Leinster House. This was built in 1745 and was the former residence of the Earl of Kildare. It's now the House of the Oireachtas, which is the Irish Parliament. In 2017, Oldstone Conservation were appointed as specialist subcontractor to undertake the conservation works to the entire facade of Leinster House. The facade consists of Ardbraccan limestone on the Kildare Street elevation, and the other three facades consist of granite. This was by far and away the largest project undertaken by Oldstone to date, and the figures speak for themselves. Approximately 150,000 kilograms of stone replaced during this contract.
Most of this involved the replacement of the original Ardbraccan cappings and string course, both of which were badly weathered. The original details and dimensions on these stones were accurately recorded and replicated. Repairs to this facade were carefully undertaken using salvaged Ardbraccan from the original building. These stones were cut and tooled to match the original detail and to ensure authenticity. In particular, much attention was paid to the new stone repairs and their finishing on the Kildare Street elevation. The lighter stones on the facade are the new stone indents using the salvaged Ardbraccan stone.
So over a period of time, that stone should blend in with the existing, but do bear in mind that this building is over 250 years old, so it's got a bit of way to go before it does so. In 2018, the work started and they were completed in 18 months, that being June 2019.
The challenge on this project was not only to complete all the works on time, but also to complete it to the highest standard required, making sure to blend the new works in with the old, to conserve and to use as much of the original fabric as possible.
This video is proudly brought to you by Oldstone Conservation. For further information, please visit our website or take time to view our other videos in our advice series.